Hey, what is it? What is that? Turn it around. Wow. What is that? Look at that. Is that Sully Monster? Yeah. Right? Look. Remember? It's Sully Monster. There he is. Yes. Good. Here, what else did you get? Keep going. Rip it out. Just rip it all off. Ooh. There you go. Wow. What is that? It's an eraser. Wow. Yeah, you can erase. Oh, this is for later. Look. It's for the bathtub. Say, look in the camera and say, yay, bathtub markers. Say, yay, bathtub markers. Can you say that?
More.
Oh, more. Can you say, yay?
Yay.
Can you say applesauce?
Applesauce.
Are you going to sing the applesauce song?
Applesauce.
Applesauce, applesauce.
Apple.
Oh, it's a car. Who is that?
Huh?
Is that Shrek?
Uh-huh.
You say, hi, Shrek. You dancing? Yay! Music? More? You have to close it. No. Close it. Now open it. Ooh, Mother Goose rhymes. Wow.
Whoa, I can read.
You gonna read? It's a lot of reading. Ooh, that's the hobby horse. Let's see. Can you look in the camera and say thank you, Grandma? And Granddaddy? You gonna pull it out? Whoa! What is that? What is it? Look. Who's that from? Can you say Gigi? Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Gigi? You want me to read it to you? Today's my birthday, but being 2 is terrible because nobody understands a word I say. Yeah, it's tough. Oh, look. Is that you? Being 2 is terrible because I can't reach up to the cookie jar. But I guess being 2 isn't all bad because Mom and Dad will have to sing that silly birthday song.
Mama.
And Daddy.
Dad.
And I bet they give me a gooey cupcake to mush around. Did you get a cupcake? Was it good? Can you wave? Say hi.
Hi.
Well, look at Mommy and wave hi.
Hi.
Okay.